everybody, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Cheryl and I'm the activity author here to bring you another book inspired craft video. And if you don't know me, hey, I'm Cheryl. I am an author and I create easy kids crafts out of household items that are usually inspired by books by self-published authors. And if you like that kind of stuff, make sure you guys click that like button because you already gonna love this video. And hit that subscribe button so you guys can stick around and become a part of my creative army. And I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna enjoy your stay because I have over 250 videos here on this channel that you guys can indulge in and create with kids and get crafty. All right guys, so that's enough of that introduction. Let's go ahead and jump into our book for today. So our book is by Mr. Jonathan Marshall and this book is called
Move With Me, and this book is sure to get your little one moving and grooving.
And this book was illustrated by an artist named Visoli. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. I'm so sorry if I butchered it. It is here on the screen for you guys, okay? Beautiful illustrations, by the way, you did that. This book is going to expand your kids' curiosity and broaden and expand their imagination. So you guys definitely want to stick around to the end of the craft so you guys can hear more about this book and why it deserves to be on your bookshelf or your child's bookshelf. All right guys, so without all that being said, we're gonna go ahead and jump into today's craft inspired by Does It Rain Food by Mr. Jonathan Marshall. So like I always say, let's get crafty.
This is all we use for this craft, 4 things. Because representation matters. We are going to dip these spoons in chocolate or paint them brown. So let's go ahead and do that. And like I said, if you ain't got paint, dip it in chocolate. You'll get the same results. Same results will apply, okay? And then we'll come back when it's dry.
All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we are going to make our person's arms. All right, I am going to wrap it in the middle. Actually, start at the top. This is gonna be his shirt, her shirt. So let's wrap it around like this. Okay? So y'all see that? I'm just kind of securing it at the top. And then I'm gonna wrap it all the way down, 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 down. You got it? Like that. Keep going, just wrap it all around it. Cause we're going downtown in a linear round. Yeah. All right, there we go. So we got a shirt and we're gonna cut him, let's say right here. It's fine. All right, I know, it's so sad. I cut my spoon. Now you're gonna take this and I'm gonna wrap it around the base of the legs. And these are gonna be his legs.
Ow, so
Party legs, yeah. You could, if you think these legs are too skinny, which I like them, you could take one set of legs. So these could be your legs too. But what I'm gonna do, because I want his legs to be thicker, I'm gonna take his legs and I'm going to wrap it like this. See that? And then I'm gonna get another green purple, and I'm gonna make it, right, and then I'm gonna do this. See? So on the same side, I'm just gonna wrap it.
Wrap it?
Mm-hmm. So you can make, right. So there's his foot.
Lucky!
What? Okay, you got it? All right, let's see you do it. Very nice. All right, that's one leg, and now we're gonna put the other leg on here. So
He got a broken leg.
he got no broken leg. His leg is perfect. He about to go crazy legs, sis. And I'm gonna put your other side. See? And then just push it to the other side. And wrap it. Wrap it. Like you did the other one. Wrap this one too. Good job, Kimmy. Let me see him. Let me see his face.
Wow.
They look so cute. Okay, so now we gotta do the arms. All right. Bend my line. So all I'm gonna do is just wrap it around one time in the middle like this, you see?
Yeah.
And I'm done. That's it.
What about his face?
Well, we're gonna make his face, so it looks like he has a striped shirt. All right, so y'all see this? Cute, right? All right, so now we're gonna add some decorations to our person. Oh, you can wrap this around here like that to cover that little piece. You see that piece right there? You can cover that like that. And your legs are gonna be a little short, but
Because I'm a child.
yeah, you're a child. Okay, so we're gonna... All right, this is gonna be fun when we try to get the most dance moves. Okay, so now I want to hold it, and I want you to wrap it around his body. Ready? Go. You can do some beads.
Okay.
All right. Look at my person. He's dancing. No. Glued on some eyeballs.
What about some nose and mouth?
I'm gonna do that with a Sharpie. A Sharpie? No, a Sharpie is a marker, sweetie.
Oh, sorry.
There you go. All right, now flip your wrists.
I'm gonna...
So they're ready to dance. They are ready to dance. Man, I got that swag. My hat matching my bag. You got that swag. Let me see what they say. My hat matching my bag. Lit.
We're brothers. We're happy and we're singing and we're... So yeah, that is the legend of how we made the dancing twins. I guess that's what we're gonna call them, y'all. This is a fun craft that your kids are gonna love creating over and over again. And you can make so many characters. Like, you can change them up, customize them. You can pose them in different poses like us, and just have them just, you know, move with you. Just like the book said, move with me, okay? So y'all, please take pictures and tag me when y'all make this craft. I want to see this. I know y'all's are gonna turn out cute. So please take pictures and tag. Step into an enchanting world of twirls and whirls and move with me in this imaginative story about a young girl named Kendi whose heart beats to the rhythm of dance. From the very first moment her tiny feet tapped the floor, a magical connection ignited, and she discovered the joy of expressing herself through movement. With this twirl, leap, and graceful sway, Kendi embarks on a captivating journey where dance becomes her way to paint the world as her canvas. Okay, so y'all join us in celebrating this boundless spirit of a little girl who proves that, you know, with dance, you know, or the love of dance, the world can come alive. Quickly, and let me tell y'all about Jonathan Marshall. Now, Jonathan Marshall, he's a poet, a writer, entrepreneur, and author of children's books, as we all know. But did y'all know Jonathan spent the last decade and a half working with young children, all various backgrounds? He was a teacher. He did some work in the social work field, and he currently advises students at Eastern University, where he studied early childhood education. Okay, so this is a man of an education background, that's for sure, and y'all know how I feel about that. Hint, hint. So now, Jonathan is a person who likes to create and bring stories to life, and he does it in a fun, engaging way in all of his books. He's a family man for sure, and he resides in Philly with his wife and his 2 boys and his precious little daughter, little daddy's girl, and they inspire him each and every day to keep creating and coming up with all these different stories. Now, I believe Jonathan has about 6 books right now, but y'all, there are more on the way, and y'all can keep a lookout for some of his new titles coming out. Books like Princess Talou and the Queen. Another one is I Miss You Very Much. That's cute. And What's in This Book. So y'all gonna have to follow him on his social medias to see when he dropped these books. Y'all, please drop down in that description box right now. As y'all can see, his books are very affordable. I didn't see anything on the website over $10. Any book, because all the books are $9.99 from what I can see. So very affordable. Please, y'all, drop down in the description box and grab these books. His books are so fun. I'm such a fan.
Thank you so much, guys, for making it to the end of this video. Like I said, if you guys found this video valuable, which I don't see how you don't find it valuable, you already made it to the end of the video, so you might as well go ahead and like the video. Go ahead. I'm waiting. Go ahead, like the video. I don't gotta watch, but I'm waiting. Go like the video. Okay, thank you. And after you guys like this video, if you ain't hit that subscribe button, what you waiting on? What you waiting on? You're gonna lose me and you're gonna wish you had it. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you can stick around and see what I got coming up for you next week, because you guys do not want to miss that craft. I promise you that. And don't forget to go down in that description box. Go in the description box right now and go check out Mr. Jonathan Marshall and all of his many books. I done told y'all all about him, so now y'all go check him out, follow him on his social medias, and grab a copy of this book. And don't forget to share this video with a friend, a teacher, a babysitter, a parent, a pastor, somebody, anybody that out there that loves creating with kids. And don't leave just yet. I got more videos on this channel, and you guys can click on one of these 2 videos right now on the screen and keep the party going. And I'll see you in that video, okay? Till next time, bye.